1. Hey, kids, let's embark on a thrilling journey into the wild. Today, we're meeting the animal king, the lion. 2. Lions are big, fierce, and amazingly strong with a mighty roar that echoes in the jungle. 3. Did you know? A lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away. Now that's loud. 4. These majestic creatures live in groups called prides, and their babies are called cubs. 5. So, let's keep exploring, learning, and appreciating these fascinating creatures. Remember, every animal is special in its own way. Meet the king of the jungle, a majestic creature with a commanding presence, the lion. Their roar echoes, signaling power and dominance. Their strength is astounding. With one swipe of their paw, they can knock down a fully grown zebra. Their hunting strategy shows intelligence and teamwork.